Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Netgate 8200 security gateway and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with this gateway not connecting or not working or not responding, this can fix a lot of those issues. The second reason is if you're just trying to set this up as a new device for whatever reason, you just want to get everything wiped off of it, we can go ahead and do that. So what you're going to do first is you're going to shut it down, or you can just cut power to it. And then you're going to turn it back on. And then you're going to wait for the circle LED to change from orange to blue. And once that circle LED changes from orange to blue, we're going to come in here with our paperclip or something like that and push button number 1 here, which is the reset button. We're going to press and hold it for 5 seconds. And what will happen then is that will recognize that you're starting the reset procedure. And after the system mounts the drive and recognizes that the button has been pressed, it will confirm that by turning all of the LEDs solid red. So wait for all those LEDs to turn solid red, and then what you're going to come to do is come in and hold the reset button until all 3 LEDs start flashing red. So you're going to come in and hold again for about 13 seconds. And after about 13 seconds, all the LEDs will start to flash red. And then the system will reset and configuration will go back to the factory defaults and the whole thing will reboot. So let the thing do its total reboot. And then when it's done, the diamond light will slowly flash blue. The device will boot again, and then you can go ahead and set it up with its factory defaults.